Ebusu am sure say what to say ne. CEO the Korle Teaching Hospital we ko pie mo public account committee. Emma public account committee chair ebusa ne say free dialysis no ehun sam te sen na ban me na sha ase na ebusua eso woni ensa okache hwe video yi bra na wi a me kire wa ban kra o share free dialysis na ase na hu aban a odwen wo ene temamofo no ehun.
I believe that a lot of patients are listening and they want to hear from you as to how you are managing this so that the people who for one reason or the other are saddled with some of these diseases can also seek proper care. Thank you.
Honorable Chair, thank you. As we speak now, I can confidently confirm that patients need to come to our facility with only their national health insurance card, and they can access dialysis at no cost at all. We have also made sure that...
Since when did this start?
Well, we have been doing that for the past...
So there was a pilot phase, and after that, when it got fully rolled out, we have. And so people come in there with their health insurance, and then they get dialysis for free.
When did this start?
I think it was the latter part of last year. And it's continued since.
The latter part of last year. And it's continued
I have forgotten the exact timing, but I think right after the pilot phase was completed.
When was that completed?
Excuse me.
The pilot phase was...
Okay. No, Mr. Chairman.
When was the pilot phase completed?
Madam Chair, January.
You are under oath. When was the pilot phase completed? See you.
Well, like the DJ said.
Respectfully, see you. This is national television.
Yeah.
And you don't say what you don't know, especially when you know it is not the right thing you are telling us.
Okay.
So I'm asking you, when was the pilot phase completed? Respectfully.
Okay, Madam Chair, there was a directive from
If you don't know the exact dates, you can step it down and provide us with the exact dates later on. Because you are under oath. You have sworn to tell the truth and nothing but the truth.
Like that, we'll go and cross-check and let you know exactly when we started the process.
Dr. Ususeche, you are on something. Respectfully, if the CEO will allow you to continue and then tell us.
Well, I think if it comes to the specifics, because I wasn't made aware that such a question will come up, I don't remember the details.
As for public interest questions, we ourselves are not aware. Yeah. But as we sit here and the public tell...
All right, Ebusu, afraid the and I'm there to no. Free dialysis treatment to be available in 40 facilities from December 1st. National Health Insurance Authority, CEO, 25th November 2024. Another 2 years. And you know, as at December 1st, 2024, now dialysis is free for all dialysis patients and kidney patients and other dialysis heading. And so the CEO in the other Korle Teaching Hospital on him the orca. You see, I could father by making sure the Ghana form better on my free senior high school as I'm of free dialysis treatment. Then be no Yamagan and Ghana need any answer. And then Mubeka could father and the doctor Mahmoud Baumia Abang. Eyezu, what do you say, Eyeza? Free dialysis. Oh, say Public Accounts Committee, Chair no, Ebusa CEO no. Na bibi odinam. Bibi na odinam. O say January. Like onim so kan okra. John Dramani Mahama be pam no. Na me ka akira wo. O kan okra na Ghana fo hu say, "Hey, say ne kufu ado aban no dwen Ghana fo hu say, omo kidney disease a omo dialysis so no. Omo ko hospital free omo ntu ahwe ya. Mahama bo funa mo na pam no ntu nka." And so no one him say they started piloting July 2024. As at November 24th November 2024 no. Na ye and they roll it out fully say obi ya. Any ka say be start 1st December. Dr. Baumia kra ka ho ansem. 1st December 2024. And a free dialysis for all kidney patients. Start here. Another down Kufuado, Ada Roma. Or Junior Ghana for it, Mamufon say, Yo, ya debut home. just say who connecting or the sickle cell account sickle cell or the count and as a nkola childhood cancer nyina de go free you know so national health insurance so what is nipa we no am be bo man no na wo sa nipa na wo kasa no se je adwonboni de wo trim na wo nipa fon a wa be kasa asem we obi ono adwene timofo no e de childhood cancer aka free ye kan say health insurance won say akola wo childhood cancer yen hwe ne hospital free akola wo ye sickle cell yen hwe ne free or you also the kidney disease account say yen san hwe free what is nipa no nipa bonini na mom no mahama odwan mahama ono mom so ye odwan funu ono oba wan be ye hwe am be boa oba ya 2012 2016 obe gu health insurance gu ye no ono mom no say ye nwa na ba so because o ye odwan funu ono de kan o so ye odwan funu ye mbo ono abaso ye mbo odwan funu abaso ye mbo odwan funu den pa no oba ye o say oba mo ice cream friday bi oba mo ice cream free otimi ye me busa wo ice cream free mpo wentimi anye ice cream free o wentimi odwan funu ntimi anya ama odwan funu wentimi na obenya Ghanaians be away no I can no form sound to the extent say 1.002% enye adwuma yie so they always misbehave in yama faso ni so no that's what they do and I'm telling you that these people don't think about you guys and you be here and you be misbehaving under my comment section just because I'm telling you the truth. Say the people you've been following all these years doesn't care about you, and that is the honest truth. Yesterday, I think like 3 or 4 days ago, Namakon said, health minister, and I'm not trying to say, I'm not sick. Where? Sickle cell was added to national health insurance in 2022, 3 years ago, August 26, 2022, by the Minister of State. They lie. And you know, say you get level followers, so they don't go do research. Then they will come like if you can say, it be those people where they play plus. It be we where we go school, now the kasa. We will go school, now the kasa. And your level followers no one cost no money like in kind of. And your now ya money communicating. Ya mo communicate here. You be there na so mo communicate here. Mo say nyansa 41% to minimum. Jimmy for 56 the nyansa 41.2% or minimum. It mo here no more communicate here because nyansa 4 or minimum. And your valuable followers na Jimmy for no quantity or minimum. Enti no ma mo nya wadwen say mo betimi ya dada mo. We are in 2025 for the era of technology and digitalization. This era, no new era, you can hide things from people. The fact that you can take your phone, your laptop, and make research and find out what exactly happened, you know. You cannot sit in your office and lie to the people. You cannot sit in your office, in your so-called office, and think you can lie to everyone because you know they are gullible people in this country, and therefore you can do whatever you want and they will believe. And you have someone like Kevin Taylor who is a fool, who doesn't think, who will come and lie to people. We are in this country with you guys, and I'm telling you, the fact that we are in this country with you people, there is no way you can lie your way again, because we are here to expose you guys. So continue lying to yourself by doing on more. But we will let you know, we will let Ghanaians know the truth, and they say the truth, you know, shall set you free. The truth shall set you free. We are going to make sure that it sets people free. We are not going to sit down for Kevin Taylor to be lying to you guys anymore. That guy always lying, and you know sometimes the funny thing is that you go and put out some news writer be fake one do on you, then the gullible followers will believe, or this which them go to Google and check, verify, cross-check and verify. Cross-check and verify if what he is showing you, it is the same thing in the news outlets. That is what you need to do. Thank God, say, social media is there today and they cannot deceive anyone. What I say. So, me, I'm going to make sure I expose you people one after the other. I had a Ghana and Sam TV. You know, it goes to your promise, the blogger.